Hi folks, recently I started a wood carving hobby just using a simple knife like this. I think it's very relaxing, especially if I'm doing it inside nature, like in this woods. Yes, I love it. So today I'm going to show you how to build something to keep the part very strong in place so that you can work it very easy. Follow me for a couple of minutes, I show you what's in my mind. So let's start the project taking some metal parts. I need to cut them, so first of all let me take also a ruler and a marker and mark the first measurement. In this case 14.5 centimeters. I can take now a metal saw and cut away the part. I repeat this procedure 4 times because I need 4 parts and these are the measurements. So we need now to continue to mark the pieces using the marker and now mark a 45-degree angle on all the parts, this way. With the metal saw I cut away the excess and this is what I need, because my idea is to assemble the parts together and make like a rectangular shape. Now using some duct tape I can keep the pieces in place and weld them together, and this is the result. Now put away this, I made also a small rectangular and some brackets that have to go in the middle. I can then weld the parts together and put everything all okay, like this. Now, it's a good idea also to sand smooth all the weldings, so a grinder with a grinding disc works great for this. So I grind away all the weldings and this is the base done. I now made also some brackets. I take other metal parts and with a marker, as you can see, I mark a blue line with this strange shape, so I can cut it away. And this looks like, remind me like the number 7. I need to make 2 of these 7. This will work like brackets, some levers, and to shape it this way I used a metal file. It's quite a long job but comes out great. So these are the parts done. We need now to assemble one on top of each other, and now using as always a marker I need to mark a point here on the base, because this point will be the place where I can drill a hole through. This is a 6mm hole and it's quite easy to drill through this metal. I think it's just stainless steel but it's quite soft to drill on inside. So after a couple minutes this is the job done. I need now to mark 2 other holes here on the top, one on the left and one on the right. I take the base, I bend it with my super force, and now that it is bended it's much more comfortable. Later on you will understand what I'm talking about. I made another small bracket with a hole on the top and I need to weld it in place. This weld has to be quite strong because in this place I will exercise a lot of force, a lot of stress, so it's a good idea to weld it on both sides and make a very good weld. Now let's see how to assemble everything together. I take now a bolt and nut and I can then assemble the 2 brackets. So the bolt goes inside the first bracket, inside the base, then goes the other bracket but in the opposite direction, and then I close everything on the back with a nut. I make it very strong and this will be the movement. It's moves quite freely. We only need now to weld other 2 small components. These little plates will work like a vise face where I can put the subject inside. And finally, folks, this is the Leg Vise. I love it. It works great and also have a very beautiful design. It looks like a vintage tool, but it's just new. I just made it. And works okay. For mistake, my finger went inside the vise and I crushed it. And I guarantee you, this can put a lot of force. If you think about it, with one single foot, when you make this movement with the foot, you can put a lot of force, and the force is multiplied because here we have a lever system, and the lever system multiply the force. So here the part we are placing inside the vise is absolutely very hold strong. So I had a little bit of problems trying to bend the part here on the base because all my hammers are lost. I don't know, maybe somebody stole it from my shop, so I have to try to bend it with some pliers. It's not so round as I thought, but I can solve the problems once I get a new hammer. By the way, hope you enjoy the project. Let me know here below how you will try to improve this project. I was thinking about a funny name for this tool because knee vise, leg vise is not so nice. So let me know here below in the comments if you have any ideas. And I leave you as always with my two previous projects, so you find both links here. Check them out, and I see you next week with another do-it-yourself tutorial. Ciao, ciao.